Hey everybody, it's Mike here from RCMC, and today we're working here on an M1070 Oshkosh military transport truck. Today we're going to teach you how to build the frame, build the chassis up, and in future video we will teach you how to build the body. So here we go, we're going to work on the frame right now. We have some aluminum plate, and on this aluminum, we have this 90-degree angle aluminum, I believe it's half-inch by half-inch plate. And right now we're going to be working on building our frame. So I'm building it off the Axial SCX10 design, which is, if you measure that out, we want to make sure that we're getting the dimensions for the axles on there. We are also working with a Rockslide RS10 axles with the motor on axle setup. So here we have the actual truck with the transmission put in it, and this is the Axial SCX10 again, and we've just bolted it in. We've left this a 90-degree angle aluminum plate compared to a C-channel due to the motor on axle clearance issues. So here we have the both front and rear axle of the Axial SCX10 mounted. It's good to go. It fits nicely as long as you make sure your measurements are right. Putting all your plates on. Now here we have the battery plate, which is in center, and we've also mounted that with two brackets underneath, because this is your center of your vehicle, which is very important to keep that strong so you don't have a buckle, because this is where it will buckle. So making sure that we did all our supports in, we're going to be putting extra supports in between all shock towers, and there you have it. So here it goes, guys. This is what we have so far. This is before the electronics. We've stuck the battery in there and make sure that we have the clearance. But this is all the axles. We did leave a little off the end of the frame in case, and at the end we can trim that down and actually make that the proper size. Now, depending on if you have, depending on where you mount your motors and how you mount your motors on your axial, on your Rockslide axles, you will have to do an either reverse design with your ground and positive wire. With this, we ran two ESCs, a secondary ESC that we've removed the power wire to, and connected the two ESCs together. I haven't mounted the ESCs yet to show you guys kind of what I'm looking at here. And what we've done is we've supported the rear frame. I have done some tweaking from this video. If you notice that both axles are facing, both rear Rockslide axles are facing the exact same direction. I actually eventually turned them around so they're facing face to face, just like they would be in the original truck. And here I have two dual 5,000 milliamp batteries back to back, and they will be supporting each ESC. And so with the ESC, you want your main ESC running to your first power. You want to hook that one up first, getting the power on, binding it, make sure it's good. Then you're going to connect your second battery, and be careful with you guys. This is a 3-motor setup. You could do all four. You could do all 4 axles Rockslide motors, which is preferred. Didn't have that in this case, and it still works just as fine. I've had no issues with it at all. So just making sure that depending on if you're doing a forward or reverse axle, you either have your wires crossed or you have them forward. So I hope you guys like it, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.